seen a lot of things and I've been a lot of places. Oh yeah, I've seen people come and go. I've seen people come and go. I've been through a lot of changes. One thing I can always say. One thing I can always say. You've been here. You've been here every step of the way. Oh, yeah. I have heard a lot said. I have heard a lot said, and sometimes believe the wrong thing. My God, I made choices I regret, and I doubted your mercy. But my God, one thing I can always say is you've been here. Every step of the way. After all these years, you're still good to me. Say you don't change on me. Don't give up on me. I remind my soul, you don't let go, Lord, you remain. Oh, yeah. I have heard a lot said, and sometimes believe the wrong thing. Oh God, I make choices. I make choices I regret, and I doubted your mercy. My God, one thing I can always say. You've been here every step of the way. After all these years, you're still good to me. 'Cause you don't change on me. Won't give up on me. I remind my soul, you don't let go, Lord, you remain. Say you don't change on me. Won't give up on me. I remind myself every day, you don't let go, Lord. Shake it out. Say you remain. Oh, you remain, Jesus. Oh, you remain. Oh, you remain. After all of these years, God. After all of these years, God, you never fail. After all of these years, God, you never leave. After all of these years, God, you never change. After all of these years, God, after all of these years, God, and you had so many reasons to leave, but you're still here with me. Oh God, I'm grateful. I'm really grateful. You have so many reasons, but you're still here. My God, I'm grateful. I'm really grateful. You have so many to you.